How to fix error van 185 on League of Legends. Now, this method that I'm gonna be providing you right now is the most generic and most popular app, but you'll guys know that our last resort is to reinstall the specific Vanguard that directly from Riot Games or League of Legends. But before doing that, all you have to do is to reset or make sure that the startup type of your VGC is set as into automatic. To do so, just go into your Windows icon here, type in services, this one, this is going to be the gear icon. And then in here, all you have to do is to click anywhere from the inside and then tap V on your keyboard or in your keys. And the one that we're looking at is currently VGC. So just look for VGC on services. For example, you found it and this is going to be this one right here. This is just an example. Right click on that, go to properties, and then under startup type, make sure that it is set into automatic. Once you've set it up, just click on apply and hit on OK. If this is not working, just simply uninstall your Vanguard from the Riot games on your apps and features. And to install it again, you just have to install it directly inside on the League of Legends client or game. Just simply hit on update and it will automatically install. And that's how you fix Van 185 on League of Legends.